In this video, we are going to get a task from the database. But before that, if I go to Postman, you can see the status 200 OK. It is an HTTP request which showing that everything is OK and give 200 OK status. We can also pass a status in our create task status a 200 OK dot JSON. And in our catch block status (400) bad request dot JSON. Save the file and let's create our another get data and app dot, it will be a get method /API/task and it will be an async function request response and open it with an arrow function and try to put it on try and catch block. Create a variable task await and from our task model we use our find method and response dot status 200 and in JSON response we send our task which we getting from our task model, and in our catch block make it plural and in catch block response dot status it will be a 400 bad request dot JSON error dot message. We are sending our error message in our catch block. Save the file, go to the Postman, create a new request and it will be a same endpoint but our method is our get method and our get data copy the URL path and in header accept the value in application JSON and select raw and from drop down select JSON. You can also send the data from our form-encoded format also. I have selected a raw format and let's send the request. and you can see, let me expand a bit, and you can see all the tasks that we have created. We are getting all the tasks that we have created. In this video, we see how we retrieve data from our database. I will see you in the next video.